Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be diving into my BeautyFix by dermstore, and you guys, I am so relieved this month. I'm also so excited because I already saw spoilers for this box, which I try not to look at, but if you've been following me this year on this subscription box, January and February's boxes were not the usual boxes that I usually see from this company. So for March, I was like, I can't wait. I need to know what's going on with them. So I went and looked at the spoilers for March, and hallelujah, we are going to have a decent box today. So I'm so excited to share with you the March BeautyFix by dermstore box. I cannot wait to get into this. If you're new to my channel and you've never seen this subscription box before, this is a monthly beauty box that ships from the UK. Dermstore is an online retailer that features all things skincare related and more, but they also create a monthly subscription box, and that is what I'm going to share with you today. So if you order in the month of March, this is the box that you will receive. Everyone receives the exact same box. So there's no variations, there's no new member gifts. So if you order in March, you're going to receive the exact same box that I'm going to share with you here today. This will typically cost about $25 a month plus an $8 shipping fee if you pay month to month for it. Or you can kind of sneak around the system a little bit and prepay ahead for multiple months. I always do the 3-month plan, and when you do 3 months or longer, they waive the shipping fee to where you get free shipping on all of your boxes. So that alone makes it worth it just to get your shipping for free. But on top of that, I have a 15% off code where you guys can save 15% off of your entire purchase order. So it's not just your first box, it's 15% off of the entire 3-month plan. And when they send you really great boxes, it makes it extremely worth it. So I've got that link down below if you guys want to go check it out, along with that discount code, and that will save you some money off. You can do longer than 3 months as well. They have a 6-month and a 12-month plan too. So if you guys want to save even more money, you can use my code on those plans also. You just have to prepay ahead for them is the only thing. But here is your first glance at the March box. First item inside of our box is from Iredale, and this is a full-size product. They don't make any guarantees on the website if you will receive full-size products or not, and there's certainly not an amount on these boxes. So getting full-size products is always a treat with this subscription, just because there isn't a guarantee. So this is full size. It is the Hydro Pure lip gloss, and it features hyaluronic acid inside of it. Now, Iredale is a really great clean skincare company. They are cruelty-free, but they're also vegan, and they feature a lot of plant-based ingredients in all of their products. So I definitely recommend this brand. It's one that I started experimenting with last year, and she has got some amazing blushes. There's also some highlighters that I really enjoy too. And then, like I said, it's all clean skincare, so it's just a win-win all the way around. This is the lip gloss, and the shade that we have is Spiced Peach. So you can kind of tell it's got that peach undertone, but how gorgeous is this for spring? I mean, I'm ready to use this. I've already got some lip stuff on right now, but I am ready to use this right now. It is just the perfect color. And it goes down, like I said, it's a gloss, so it's going to have a little bit of a shimmer, but it's not sticky. It's not going to be super thick either. You still get that shine like a lip gloss has, but you're also going to get that peach tint. And it's not too crazy, is it? Like, it's just a little bit of color. Yes, it's spring, it's full size. I love it. The next item inside of our box is also a full-size product, and it's from Babor. This one item will pay for your entire box this month. This will retail for $50 on the dermstore website. I mean, can you believe it, you guys? Like, this is what I love about dermstore, and this is what I keep saying, is last year we kept having box after box like this, where it was full-size products, and they're super expensive, but I'm only spending $20 on the entire box for all of these products. So, I mean, it's just, this is what I love about it, and what I've been missing the last couple of months. So yes, I'm so excited to see this. This is a serum and it's designed for dry skin to give you hydration back. There are 7 of these glass vials inside of this box. Now this is all vegan and it is again clean skincare. So they use a lot of plant-based ingredients inside of this, but it will specifically work at delivering the most hydration for dry skin. Now, just be careful with these because if you don't have dry skin and maybe your skin's really oily, it might be too powerful for your skin just because it's all about hydration. But I'm so excited to see this. A $50 product, you guys, in a $20 box. That's amazing. Next up is from R&Co, and this is their Death Valley Dry Shampoo. So this dry shampoo is travel sized, it is cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan. They also have a little bit of UV protection in here as well for your hair, but this will help to absorb any oils that you have in your hair, making it last longer in between washes. We also are going to have a face mask inside of our box. This is from MZ Skin, and it is an all-over face mask, and it's split into 2 pieces. So you have one just for like your eyes and your forehead, and then the other one will be down below for like your chin and your mouth. And the mask itself is supposed to give you a little bit of hydration for your skin, but it's also going to help to brighten your skin at the same time. I used this mask from something. I think I got it in an Advent actually, and it's really good. It didn't fall off of my face either, because sometimes masks will not stay in place, and this one stayed right on for me, and I was like, oh, okay, I kind of like how this works. So I do think this is a really great brand. We are going to receive a sample of Elamiz inside of our box. This is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream, the famous hydrating daytime moisturizer. This size is only 5 ml. It is a great moisturizer. I will use this. I use the full size product already. So I do think it's a little bit small, but I do recommend the product. I wish it was just a tad bit larger, but I do know this is a very expensive brand. I think it's great it's in the box still. I just wish the size was just a pinch bigger. But also I recommend it. If you guys haven't tried it yet, I do recommend that product. The next item is from PCA Skin, and this is their Hydra Brightening Cream. This cream is one of their best-selling products, and it will help to brighten that under eye area or along the eye area. It gives you hydration, but it also is going to brighten. So if you have any issues with like dark circles underneath or any like puffiness, dry skin, it will help for all of those reasons. PCA Skin is, again, another luxury brand that's very expensive. So getting samples, even though it's small, I'm sure this has a higher retail value on it. We have 10 ml of product, and because it's just for your eye area, I do think this will go further because you don't need a lot of product for that space. So even though it's only 10 ml, I think it's decent. I think it's enough for you to know if you're gonna like it. So that is everything inside of my BeautyFix for March 2024. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. In total, we have 6 items inside of this box, 2 of which are full-size products. And it only took 1 of them to pay for the whole box. I'm just so relieved that this is back to what I love about BeautyFix. You know what I mean? Like, there's something to be excited about over in here. There's value in this. I love that there's the full-size products. And if you've not gotten to try any of these brands, I feel like this is such an affordable way to do that because they're luxury brands that you might not be able to afford if you buy in the stores, you know, at regular price. But $20 is a much more affordable price point, and then you can try those luxury brands. So I'm so happy. Like, I'm relieved. I hope BeautyFix continues to do this every month. They did last year, and then like I said, we had a little bump at the start of the year where we weren't seeing this. This feels like the traditional BeautyFix that I usually get. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!